Hello, Julian, everyone. Here is my Schoology homework with my 8 assignments in it. I am always struggling with technology when it comes to upper level art classes. I use the Chromebooks for a lot of research, and that includes research on other people's work as well as art history, a lot of video, but really tend to use technology more as an enhancement tool to my classroom instruction. Here's some other ways to see some things I'm working towards, and I'm going to use this to really help me work towards creating folios for the kids online. And that is a tool they can use to exchange and show their artwork with other classes and other people outside of our building. So I have some things I'm trying to head towards, but right now I really feel like my big focus on technology when I use it is enhancement of my classroom lesson. So I'm going to buzz through real quickly what I have here. Here is my Painting One course that I have right now, and within my Painting One course I have a watercolor unit that we're working on. So I just have that set up. First couple things I have for the kids is the media files that the kids are going to turn in their examples as they get these done. So these first two guys with watercolor apples and tree paintings are empty. Then we've got the actual assignment down here, which tells the kids what they're going to do. A little redundant, I guess, with what I do in class. I really don't roll stuff out like that. I roll stuff out with demonstrations. So this is just kind of to help remind them. I realize on here what would really be helpful, I think, that I could use and would help me be ahead of the curve is on these assignments, I could include the rubrics. And the kids could see the rubrics and know where we're going to go. So I would, moving forward on these, I would definitely incorporate rubrics into that. And then I've got a couple quizzes and I've got a couple demo videos. The demos just work out real nicely with the kids. After my classroom demo, they can in turn go and watch somebody else do the same thing and see some of the same techniques being used. And really, if they just want to refresh what we did, they can, on their own time, go back and refresh and look at what we did. So that's that Apple demo video and the tree video. Through a couple, last two things is through just a couple quizzes in here, able to incorporate some different watercolor techniques, and the kids have to go through and tell me how each one of those watercolor techniques are created. And lastly, I just made a little quiz that is just true false to see how much the kids are paying attention in class. So really feel like this still kind of is going right into the vein of me using technology as an enhancement and not necessarily a learning tool, but just an enhancement to my classroom instruction. So got to work on that. And that is my 8 assignments.